This is chapter 3, section 1, problem number 24, and it's asking for you to find the absolute extrema on the function f of x equals x cubed minus 12x on the closed interval 0, 4. So what you do first is find the derivative of f of x, which will be f prime of x equals 3x squared minus 12. Then you set that equal to 0 to find your critical points. And by doing so, you factor out a 3. And then you factor again the x squared minus 4 to get 3 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 equals 0. Finding the x values, you get x equals negative 2 and 2. So your critical points over here I'm going to write are x equals negative 2 and x equals 2. And you also have to include the endpoint since it's absolute extrema on a closed interval, which would be x equals 0 and x equals 4 from this interval. So then you plug these values in the table down below. So you have negative 2, 0, 2, and 4. And finding their y values, f of 2 is 16, f of negative 2, excuse me, is 16. F of 0 is 0. F of 2 is also negative 16. And f of 4 is 16. So now you see that there are two positive 16s, so you're going to have, and those are also the maximum values, so you're going to have two absolute maximums at negative 2, 16, and at 4, 16. And you're going to have one absolute minimum with this negative 16, and it's going to be at 2, negative 16.